Little sparkle for the top. So there are a few air gaps, not awful, so I'll take it. really curious to see how this goes. It did not sit up the first layer. I should have stick blended it more. I did not. But it was new to me and I wasn't sure how it would work. Like how quickly, I should say, the fragrance would set up, so I didn't over stick blend it and I should have stick blended it more. So that first layer is definitely not quite set up. Well, that's not bad. So the goal, which I know I didn't explain this at the beginning, because for reasons, it doesn't matter what the reasons are, but what I was trying to do was like create the tree stump and then scrape out two layers, I should say, of like a tree. So I just kind of wanted it to look like, you know, a little bit of a tree. And then I put the lights in this one, and the other batch has the ornaments, so I'll cut and share that one too. You can see this is not hugely distinct. I think it's even worse on this one. I wanted to kind of do a mica line around the lights, but I realized that that was just, I wanted it so it looked like a string of lights. I realized that that was going to be too much for yesterday's soap making session, so I didn't. But I think it looks like a Christmas tree, so it's not quite, like I said, as distinct as I wanted it to be, and that's partly because my layers just didn't really set up enough, and I was on a time crunch yesterday, so I should know better than to make soaps like that when I'm on a time crunch, but I wish I had pushed that one a little further over, but it's cute. It's scented in cashmere from Brambleberry, which I've wanted to use for ages now. It's supposed to discolor tan, light tan, So I'm hoping that the greens will just get a little darker and it should be okay. So varying degrees of success with the scraper, but I still think it reads as an abstract tree, so I'll take it. Okay, let me clear this off and I'll come back and we'll cut the one with the ornaments and see how that one turned out. So this one is gonna have 3 greens. I had a little extra green from this, like I had first just poured the green enough for this batch, but I had extra because I miscalculated. So I poured it in here and then I went back and added more green. Well, I didn't match the greens. I knew as I was pouring. So this scraper is not bad. You can see this one just completely flattened out when I was putting this green in. One, it was thick. So it was just displacing. This green was thick. This was not set up enough, so it was just displacing it. Not the end of the world. I like the ornaments. I don't know which I like better, the lights or the ornaments. I like them both. So I mean, it captures the idea, the essence of a Christmas tree. So it might not be perfect how I envisioned it, but it's also not awful. So I'll take it, I guess. You know, I'm trying different things. I had an idea for these lights last year, and I should have tried it this year, and I didn't. I just kind of forgot about it until I was actually pouring this soap, and I was like, oh yeah, remember that idea? So I need to go write it down in my notebook, and maybe next year. But I mean, it's fun. I'll take it. Which do you like better? The ornaments or the Christmas lights? Let me know.